First, find the verbs in the following sentences, Dana, okay?
Okay, mister.
Yeah. Number one. Find the verbs in the following sentences. What do you notice about all the past tense verbs? I'd like you to look at these sentences quickly and tell me. First, where is the verb in the first sentence?
Um, um,
Yes, I'm talking about the verb. Where is the verb here? We have talked before about regular and irregular verbs. We are here in the past simple. So first, let me help you. We have noticed here all the verbs are in the past form. Okay, you know, in the past form we have two forms. Maybe the verb is regular, and the regular verbs take ed or ied or just d. And some other verbs are irregular, like for example, when I say write, wrote, go, went, see, saw, eat, ate, put, cut. All these verbs are irregular. So we have two kinds, regular or irregular. So first, let us analyze these sentences. I can help you in the first sentence. If you have a quick look at the first sentence, I watched TV last night. We have here subject, I. We have a verb, watched.
watched.
Yes, it's regular because ed here, so the verb is watched, regular, and TV, it's an object, and then last night it's the complement of the sentence. Okay, okay, Dana.
Okay, mister.
Now let's move to the second sentence. Could you tell me where is the subject, verb, huh? And is the verb here regular or irregular? Huh? Go on, Dana. The floor is yours.
Ate is the verb.
Yeah, ate is the verb. Is it regular or irregular?
Irregular because it doesn't have ed, so it doesn't follow the rule.
Yeah, where is this?
the
Yeah,
whole,
that's right. And where is the subject?
we.
The, and the here, it's an article. Pizza, noun. And quickly, it's an adverb. It's what?
It's an adverb.
Yes. Third, now move to the third example. Read it, Dana, and analyze it. Yes, Dana.
She studied hard for this test. She is the she is studied is the verb.
Yeah, studied is the verb. Is it regular or irregular?
It's regular because it does have ed.
Yes, it's regular. That's right. And the subject is she. And what about hard? She studied hard. So hard here it's what? It's an adverb. Hard here it's what?
An adverb.
Yeah, because you know, Dana, after verb we use adverb. After verb we use what? Adverb. Yeah, for preposition, this, it's طبعا, and you know this, that, these, those. Do you know these words?
Yes, mister.
We call it determiner. We call it determiner, or you could say pronoun, and test is a noun. Now, number 4. David, read it, Dana.
David swam in the ocean last summer. David is the subject, swam is the verb, and in the ocean is the adverb.
Yeah, what do you think of in the ocean here? It's a prepositional what? It's a prepositional phrase. You know, it's a prepositional phrase because we have a preposition in and then article plus noun, so we call it prepositional phrase, okay?
Okay, mister.
Okay, so swam, is it regular or irregular?
Irregular.
Yeah, irregular, that's right. So also we have here 2 verbs, regular, watched and studied. We have 2 irregular, like ate and swam. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to hear, and after we discuss this, we're going to learn how to recognize irregular verbs in the past tense, identify the form of regular and irregular past verbs. We're going to use the appropriate irregular verb to form a past and the past participle in writing and speaking. So look at this sentence here. Or let's start by telling you about this. Every verb has 4 principal parts. So every verb has what? 4 principal parts. For what?
Principal parts.
First, the present and the present participle, the past and the past participle. So we have present and the present participle. We have past and the past participle. So how many parts does again any verb have? 4. Could you tell me about it, Dana? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, mister.
Yeah, so how many parts? 4. Present, present participle. Past and the past what?
Participle.
طيب. Like what? Let me like go, verb go. Go is the present. When you add ing, we call it present participle. So go, going. Past, went. And the past participle, gone. Okay?
Okay.
Let me walk. You know walk, right?
Yes.
Okay, walk. Could you, so for walk here, could you tell me about the present and the present participle and the past participle of this verb, Dana? If you need help, I can do the first one for you. If you can do it yourself,
Walk,
it's okay.
walked, walking.
No, first, let's start by present and then past. The present is
Walking.
walk. No, just the present walk. Present participle ing. Present participle ing. So it's what?
Walk.
Walking. Walk,
No,
present.
mister.
Present
Present walk.
yes, walking. Past
Walked.
and the past participle
Has walked.
walked. Yes, or have or has. Okay. And just ed, the same thing. يعني past irregular past والpast participle the same form. Okay. Okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, mister.
Like, for example, I can give you another example. Speak. Speak, it's present. Speaking, present participle.
Spoke.
Spoke, past. Spoken, past participle. Okay?
Okay.
Another example. Another example. Eat, Dana. Eat. Huh?
Ate.
Present, eat. Okay, first let's start by present. أنا هقول لك and you say the word, the verb in the form. Present. Huh?
Eat.
Yes, eat. Present participle.
Eating.
Past.
Um. Ate.
Ate. Past participle.
Ate.
Eaten. 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 Okay. Another verb. See. Huh? Present.
Mister, what is the verb?
See.
Mister, I can't hear you. What is it?
See. See. Yara.
See is the present.
Yeah, and the present participle.
Seeing.
And past simple.
So.
And past participle.
Sewed.
See. So seen. 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 Past participle is seen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then. So here for past tense verbs come in two forms. Past tense verbs come in two forms. Regular and what?
Irregular.
Yes, so regular and irregular. How can we form regular verbs in the past tense? We're going to know. Yes, like for example, I play. So it becomes in the past I what? I played. So here I play, I played. So yesterday I played. So now we change it to past. Look at this example, okay? I watched TV yesterday. So I watched. Yesterday I watched. I cooked. I cooked pasta. Could you read these examples, please?
Watched, cooked, jumped.
So you could say yesterday she jumped, or yesterday they decided. They what?
They decided.
Yeah, comes from the side, decided. Decide, decided, okay?
Okay.
So now we call this past simple. Past simple. Watch, watched, cook, cooked, jump, jumped, then decide, decided. All these verbs are regular. Are what?
Regular.
Yeah, just we add ed to the verb. So regular past, as you see here, regular past tense are easy to form. Are easy to what? Are easy to form. You add ed to the end of the verb, like here, jumped, decided, cocked, watched, just we add ed to these verbs. Now, principal parts of irregular verb. Okay, principal parts of irregular verb. A verb's tenses are formed from its principal parts: the present, the past, and the past participle. Spell the past tense of regular verbs by adding ed. use has or had with the past tense to form the past participle. So an irregular verb doesn't add ed to form the past tense. Most irregular verbs have different spelling for the past and the past participle. So, so here we could say, look at the present, become. The past is became. And the past participle, طبعا, as you know, it would have or has or had, become, and then past participle. Begin, began, begun, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. Forget, forgot, forgotten, forgotten. Go, went, gone. Know, knew, known. See, saw, seen. So, take, talk, taken. So we have present, we have past, past simple, and then past participle, have or has plus past participle, have or has or had, and then past participle. Okay?
Okay.
So why we call these verbs are irregular, Dana? Why we call them irregular?
Because they doesn't follow the rules.
They don't follow the rules. They don't take ed at the end of the verb. Okay?
Okay.
And what identifies a verb as an irregular verb? What identifies a verb as a regular verb, Dana?
I don't know, Mister.
What identifies a verb as an irregular? First is that these verbs do not take ed and their form differs. Sometimes the same, sometimes the same form like cut, put, hit, like, or it may be differs in the three form like go, went, gone. So these irregular verbs sometimes they are the same form or they may be different in all parts. Okay,
Okay.
we have here some irregular verbs. We have the base, we have simple, and we have past participle. So can you read them, please? Hello, are you here?
Yes, Mister.
Can you read them, please?
Be, was, were, been. Below,
Yes,
blew,
blow,
blow,
blew. Hmm,
blew, blown.
yes.
Break, broke, broken.
Hmm.
Bring, brought,
Wrote.
wrote. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought.
Hmm.
Catch, catched,
Cold.
coach, coat. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Um, do,
Hmm.
did, done.
Hmm.
Draw, drew, drawn.
Hmm. Sorry. Yes. Yes. Hmm. Yes, go on, Dana. So we said here come, came, choose, chose, chosen. Hmm.
Mr. I'm done. Drew, drawn. But
The
then
last,
I can't see.
the last one, I don't know why it doesn't
Mr.
appear.
I think that it's the base is drink. The simple.
Yeah, drink, drank, drunk. Drink, huh? Drank, drunk. Okay.
Okay. Mr. Can we end the Zoom and rejoin?
Why?
Mr. Just it's telling me that like I don't know.
It's telling you what?
Like there is something from the laptop is telling me that um
Hmm.
like to add the Zoom and rejoin. And also it's still 10 minutes. So we can end and rejoin, okay?
Can we take just 5 minutes and then we can end?
Mister, I want to end and rejoin.
Okay, no problem.